Yo, what's up? It's Kronikman. This is a game called World of Guns. I think Gun Disassembly. Pretty sweet game. Just felt like showing you guys it. I just started it up. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I want to take apart this Tech 9 in super mode, which is like no help at all. So let's see if I can do this. And Tech 9 is actually extremely easy to take apart. Would have never thought it was this easy. Yeah, dude. This is pretty much it. Yes, sir. Tech 9 is so easy to take apart. It took me a minute to do that. So, trigger first. It's held in with this one. And put in this guy. Held in with this pin. And it's this thing, this pin. We can start putting this shit in. Look at this, dude. I could disassemble a Tech 9 easy. In real life, probably. Hell yeah. Well, that was just something I kind of wanted to show you. This game's cool. It's free on Steam. So, get it up. There's MP5s, AK-47, and a Colt. Alright, thanks for watching.